And this holiday season will be like any other that we have seen before. And we have to be strategic with how we spend our time because of the ongoing pandemic. But it still can be enjoyable. Dr. Rachel Haley of HCA Midwest Health shares tips for making this a COVID-safe and burn-free holiday. What do you recommend for the upcoming holidays? And how can we celebrate and stay safe?
It remains our individual responsibility to help stop the community spread of the highly contagious and often deadly COVID-19 virus. Since social distancing, good hygiene, and wearing face coverings are keys to mitigating the spread, which is at an all-time high since the pandemic started earlier this year, traditional holiday experiences can be risky.
And when it comes to holiday shopping, my biggest concern is if it's safe or not to shop inside of a store or if we should be sticking to online shopping.
That's a great question, and one the CDC added last month to its list of high-risk activities. It's actually not a clear-cut yes or no, but if you do choose to get out and shop in stores around Kansas City, getting or contracting COVID-19 exists. Of course, never go in public if you're not feeling well, or if you've been exposed to COVID, even if you're asymptomatic. However, you can control and reduce your risks by diligently practicing safety measures. Do shop online as much as possible, and you can still support local businesses. But if your favorite maker of choice doesn't have a website, call or message them and ask how you can shop for their goods.
How on earth could you have a cookie exchange this year and still be safe?
I have such a sweet tooth, so virtual cookie swaps are something I researched right away. And you can actually be super creative with almost any holiday tradition, a cocktail party, a holiday dinner, even a gift exchange. Some suggestions for a fun and pandemic-safe cookie swap this year include sending digital invitations to guests in plenty of time for people to get ingredients to bake their treats. Encourage guests to choose recipes for cookies that will hold up in the mail or doorstep delivery. And then, like with any party, pick a theme, choose a playlist, plan some activities, maybe a virtual cookie-themed bingo, or have a guest walk everyone through their recipe with a cooking demo.
Talk about cooking during the holidays. It's a favorite hobby for so many people. I've got a friend who wouldn't think of celebrating Hanukkah without making potato latkes. Well, what are some safety tips?
Here are a few things to keep in mind when cooking and decorating this holiday season. In the kitchen, keep anything that can catch fire. Pot holders, wooden utensils, towels, or food packaging away from the stovetop. And if you purchase a live Christmas tree or greenery, you must keep them well hydrated.
And those injuries and accidents aren't always things that we think of. So when should someone seek medical treatment if they're burned?
Well, first of all, flush the burn with cool, not cold water. Never apply butter, oil, lotions, or creams, which can actually trap in the heat and make the burn penetrate deeper. Then cover with a sterile, non-adhesive bandage or clean cloth. But go to the nearest emergency room or call 911 if a burn covers a large area, especially if blistering occurs, if there is extreme pain or loss of sensation, or if burns occur to the hands, feet, or face. Also seek treatment if a burn involves chemicals or electricity, or there is smoke inhalation due to fire exposure. See your physician if a burn treated at home doesn't appear to be healing appropriately, or you see signs of infection like increased pain, redness, swelling, fever, or oozing.
Great tips and reminders there from Dr. Haley. For more information, go to hcamidwest.com.